When Zulu warriors returned from battle, they danced. When families gather in joy, they dance. And this is Ukusina, a dance of power, spirit, and pride. But what does it really mean? Sanbona, this is Zulumama, and welcome back to my channel where we learn isiZulu and its traditions together. Ukusina is one of the most iconic expressions of Zulu culture. Through stamping feet, high kicks, and rhythm, Ukusina tells stories of unity, history, and ancestral connection. The origins of Ukusina go back to the time of warriors. Before battles, men would dance to prepare their spirit, and after victory, they would dance to celebrate. These movements were a way of showing strength, courage, and discipline. But Ukusina is not only about war. It is also a way of connecting with our ancestors, with the earth beneath our feet, and with the heartbeat of the community. Ukusina is recognized by its powerful stamping and high kicks. Each stomp connects the dancer with the ground, symbolizing respect for our ancestors. The dance is performed to the rhythm of isgubu or the drums, along with whistles and clapping that guide the dancer's energy. What makes Ukusina even more powerful is that it is communal. Men, women, and youth all join in, each adding their own rhythm and style. Ukusina is not only about entertainment, it is a language of its own. Each movement carries meaning, strength, joy, respect, and unity. The stamping feet reminds us that we are connected to the soil, to our land, and to those who came before us. The synchronized movement shows the importance of working together as a community. In every stomp and every kick, Ukusina speaks the story of the Zulu people. Today, Ukusina is still alive and celebrated. You'll see it at weddings, traditional ceremonies, cultural festivals, and even international stages. And even when families are just gathered together, they will sing and dance. It continues to be a symbol of Zulu pride, heritage, and identity. From rural villages to global arenas, Ukusina carries the heartbeat of the Zulu nation. Ukusina is more than a dance. It is history. It is unity. It is the spirit of the Zulu people, alive in every movement. If dance could speak, it will tell the story of resilience, pride, and joy. Thank you for joining me on this journey into Zulu tradition. If you enjoyed learning about Ukusina, give this video a like, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Mzansi Zulumama for more stories of culture and heritage. Ngiyabonga.